Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm putting together an elevated garden bed from Vego Gardens. This is the 2x8 bed in pearl white with wheels. And I chose this bed because I wanted the extra growing space with having the 8-foot bed, and I felt like my garden could handle a bed this size. So I picked this, and I picked a color that matched the color of the other beds in the area where this is going. I put this bed all together by myself, but this would be a much faster job and easier job if you had a second person or even third person working with you. But seeing as how I do a lot of this stuff while nobody's home, it's usually me who's putting all the things together. So all the stuff in the garden you see put together by me, and so I have to make things work. But definitely, if you have a second person around, enlist them to help you with this bed. But they come in sizes 2x4, 2x6, and 2x8. You can pick out pearl white like mine, modern gray, or olive green. All are gorgeous, stunning colors, and they all come with shelving underneath the beds. So it is soil day, and it's time for us to finally fill our elevated garden bed with soil. I found a great deal on soil from Lowe's. It was $2.46 a bag for 1 CU. So I bought a ton of bags, and I'm hoping that they will be enough to fill this 2x8 elevated garden bed. So let's go ahead and get started. Bag number 1. This is what 6 bags of soil looks like in here so far. And most of that soil is on this side. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to add a couple more bags, because right now the soil is a good height in my opinion. It's up to here, but I thought maybe if we do just 2 more bags, it will just top it off really, really nicely, and have a good height. So what I don't want is when we have heavy rains that the soil is so high that it's running over faster than it can drain out. So you want to keep it underneath this lip part here. So I think maybe 2 to 3 more bags would be appropriate to fill it exactly how I think it should be. So I'm going to grab 3 more bags. All right. All right, that looks perfect to me. Perfect level. There's even a little bit in here to spare, which will go into another bed. But wow, very exciting. All right, so let's count up how many bags it took to fill this bed. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 15 bags, you guys. Now remember, these are 1 cubic foot bags. So if you get larger bags, so like 2 CUs, 3, 4, whatever, it's going to be less bags. But for the 1 CU, 15 bags to fill this bed. So I don't think that this will be the final placement of this bed in my garden. It will likely go somewhere over that way. But for now, while I'm still working and getting the garden together for spring and summer, right here is a great spot. It gets good sun. You should definitely check out the elevated beds on Vego's website. They have different sizes, different colors, as well as the in-ground beds. Like, I love their beds a lot. I love the accessories that come with them. This bed especially is my favorite right now. And what I love most is I have storage down here, so I'll be able to put some baskets. You'll be able to put some containers with plants in it if you want it, and have them like draping down over here. That would be really pretty. You can put your tools, your watering containers, like anything. You could put bags of soil under here for storage or compost for storage. But I just think it's a really great bed. And I think it's a great option for gardeners with patios, decks, whatever you have, this will fit in your space. The next steps for this bed will be final placement and planting up. So that will be probably in the next few weeks as I clear out some areas of the garden. But yeah, you guys come back for the updates. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. I'll include a discount code for you there as well, and in the description and on the screen. Trying to talk too fast. I've got too much going on here and I'm trying to get it out as fast as possible. But let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.